happy holidays. This is your girl Monique Nicole. Today I am going to be doing one of my fantasy looks for the holiday. I'm going to be doing like a lump of coal, being on the naughty list type of holiday fantasy glam. Now I know I've been seeing a lot of people, drop their looks and they are absolutely stunning. But every time when it comes around the holidays, I don't see people, if anyone, do any type of glam look that represents a lump of coal. Now, I don't know about y'all, but y'all know, I was a little naughty this year, but I'm still gonna get my gifts. So yeah, shout out to y'all if y'all felt like y'all was on a naughty list but still gonna be celebrating. Open up all the presents that your Santa has blessed you with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. So everything that I do for the first time. So however it comes out, that is going to be the magical surprise. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey y'all, so this is my final look for my Naughty List Lump of Coal Glam look. Now if you want to check out my last year's Lump of Coal with the candy cane twist glam look, make sure that you check in the description box below and go ahead and check that out and show your girl some love on that video. But I am just going to walk in just a little bit more. I decided just to put my hair in a love knot. And I decided to take one of the bows off of my Christmas tree and just put it in my hair. As I'm looking at it, it's giving me a little bit of like Minnie Mouse vibes, but I'm okay with it. But I do want to go ahead and I do want to walk in. That way you can take a look at the glam. Now I did go ahead and I did add some of the red glitter to my lips just to balance the bow tie in my hair. And, you know, just for it to just, you know, kind of all work well together. So yeah, I mean, it may look a little gothy, you know, but hey, like the Nightmare Before Christmas type of vibes. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if you've been naughty this year. But yeah, just let me know what are your plans for this holiday. It's just going to be my mother and I, very small, very intimate. So we're just going to just enjoy each other's time because I'm getting older, and that means my relatives are getting older, so I'm all about trying to spend more quality time with them. So, yes, yes, I'm loving this. I'm loving this glam look. And I'm definitely going to be reusing these. Just saying. But until then, make sure you stay beautiful. Make sure you stay positive. And stay focused for the year of 2020.